In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho CRM modules, fields, and personal settings. If you have been using Zoho CRM and you want it to feel more personalized and organized, this is the part of setup you will want to focus on. We will go step by step through updating the fields inside your modules, and then we will finish by adjusting your personal preferences like time zone, language, currency, and your name format. To begin, open Zoho CRM and look for the Setup option. In the top right corner of the screen, you will see a gear icon. Click Setup Now. This opens the area where Zoho CRM settings are organized, so you can customize the parts of the system you interact with every day. Next, you will choose the section that controls module customization. Under the Customization area, select Modules and Fields. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct section, because this is where Zoho CRM lets you control which fields appear and how they appear inside different modules. Once you click Modules and Fields, you should see the list of modules available in your CRM. Now, choose the module you want to edit. Click the specific module, such as Leads, and then select the layout you want to work on. Zoho CRM usually provides layout options, so you can tailor what users see based on your workflow. After selecting the module and the layout, you are ready to adjust the fields. At this point, you will build the layout by adding or removing fields. On the screen, there is typically a left panel showing available fields and a main area showing the current layout. Drag and drop fields from the left panel into your layout to add them where you want them to appear. If you need to remove a field instead, hover over the field in the layout and click the trash icon. This is important because it keeps your module clean and ensures your team sees only the information they actually need. Once you have finished arranging the fields, you must save your work. Look in the top right corner of the editor and click Save and Close. Saving confirms your layout changes, so they will persist when you return to the module later. After you save and close, you can continue to other setup options without losing your updates. Now that your module layout is configured, we will return to the main setup menu. Go back to the main setup area and then find personal settings under the general section. This part of setup is not about what fields appear. Instead, it is about how Zoho CRM displays information to you personally, based on your preferences. After you open personal settings, click the edit icon to begin changing your settings. You will be able to modify items such as your local time zone, your language, your currency, and your name format. Take a moment and review each option carefully, because these settings affect how dates and numbers show up across the CRM. Your time zone ensures timestamps are accurate for your location. Language affects the interface wording, currency changes how monetary values are displayed, and name format determines how names appear in records. When you have updated your preferences to match what you want, you will apply the changes by saving. At the bottom of the page, click Save. This step finalizes your personal configuration, so Zoho CRM reflects your selections right away. And that covers everything you need to know. You have now updated your Zoho CRM module fields and layouts, and you have also tailored your personal settings so the CRM works the way you expect.